Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Yao step by step. But first, as always, I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Okay, let's get started. Yao. This is also a polyphone. It's pronounced as Yao or Yao. As Yao, it means important. To ask, will. As Yao, it means to request. Let's look at some examples. 主要 主要 means main. 要求 要求 means to request. Here's a sentence. The main requirement is to keep quiet. The main requirement is to keep quiet. 主要要求是保持安静。主要要求 requirement 是 is 保持 keep 安静 quiet silent 主要要求 the main requirement 主要要求是保持安静。主要要求是保持安静。主要要求是保持安静。The main requirement is to keep quiet. Now follow me to write 要 in cursive. Yao, important, to ask, will, Yao, to request, 主要 main, 要求 to request. The main requirement is to keep quiet. 主要要求是保持安静。要 Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character Yao. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.